What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel again. Today is we are going to have the review of JSW1688 smartwatch after 1 month of use. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Chick here again, and now we are going to have the short review of the JSW1688 smartwatch, or the Aqua Fit smartwatch. So after using it for a month, so let's just get straight to the point. So I'm gonna tell you if this smartwatch is good or no good. Let's talk about this strap. So the strap, I have been using this one for a month, and the strap seems to be really working great, and it looks really premium as well. And the second thing about this product is the glass. Usually with my other smartwatch that I have reviewed and I have used, it usually has scratches after 2 weeks. Yes, but the good thing about this product is I cannot seem to find any scratch at all. Although I've been using this one for a month, and sometimes I try to hit it in the wall, but it still looks nice. Yes, it's still shining. And okay, so that's the second good point. The third one is the UI, or the interface, and it seems really easy to use. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very responsive, unlike the other smartwatch. So you can just swipe it, and then on top, when you scroll it above, you can see here the Bluetooth, kind of shortcuts, and it also gives you the how much battery left. The fourth good thing about this product is that the battery, it's really crazy, guys, believe it or not, but the battery lasts really like almost 2 weeks. I already forgot the last time I charged this smartwatch. And yes, the battery, if you really want a smartwatch that can last for a long time, then you can choose this one. The battery is really good. But the cons, I think the cons about this product is, I don't know, but it's really funny. Like whenever I try to use it, so although I sync it with my smartphone, the time seems to be advanced. Like maybe this time it's 11:24 or 24, but this watch is advanced. It's already 11:29. So, I don't know, it's just funny that it's sometimes go I mean it's really like this. So I think that's the only negative that can find in this smartwatch. It's just like 5 minutes advance. Well, if you are always late, then this one is better for you, since you will be 5 minutes ahead. All right, so I don't know, but this one is really good, guys. Yes, and it's already 1 month, and whenever I go outside, they always think that it's really expensive, but it's not. It's only $6. And if you want to buy this one, you can purchase this at Shopee or Lazada if you're in Philippines. And if you are in another country, maybe you can try to search the JSW1688 or the Aquafit smartwatch. Alright, so again, guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And by the way, I forgot, this smartwatch is not a waterproof. So please, if you go outside, maybe it's a splash proof, but please don't submerge it into the water, or else you will find it broke. Alright guys, so this has been Josh Check here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated of more gadgets and the smartwatches. Alright, so I'll see you soon.